Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So if you're watching a recording, you're welcome to fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us as we say hello to each other. Good morning, Gina. I turned my camera a little bit today because the clouds are so pretty with a reflection of sunrise. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we continue exploring forgiveness with another guided reflection from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. The chapter I want to read today is called Coming to Terms. Mark Nepo writes, "We are the stage and all the players. One of the great contributions of psychology has been to help us understand how we replay our hurts and affections with people other than those who have actually hurt or touched us. There are many names for this, the more well known being projection and transference. In essence, we play what has been said or done, or what hasn't been said or done, over and over until we come to terms with it. And the coming to terms is called healing, surrender, letting go, forgiveness. For example, being yelled at and then later kicking the dog is the stereotype of this projection or transference. Yet more often, we replay the styles of clumsy love that we experience. For example, while growing up, I endured the cold dismissal of my truest feelings. When I would show my hurt, I was seen as trying to weaken my parents' resolve. And at these moments, they turned their backs on me, as if by showing my pain that I was trying to trick them. Having experienced this, I am especially sensitive to the pains of those close to me. And yet there are times when I catch myself holding firm, just out of reach, effectively replaying my parents' role as well as my own. This is humbling and upsetting at once, to say the least. But just like germs must run their course, all the players in our dramas must be voiced before they will leave us be. Just as we keep trying to get what we never got from someone else who doesn't know our game, we also keep the trespass alive by reenacting on others nearby until we can humbly know what it is to be hurtful. And that's the first step towards forgiving others. I have seen myself repeating what was done to me, yet never as cruel as I experienced it, never as harsh. But it has been enough to make me tremble at how easy it is to be cruel when afraid, and how difficult it is to accept that we are all capable of terrible things, and how cleansing it is to realize that true kindness breathes just beneath this acceptance. So let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in, acknowledging all the circumstances of your practice. You can start with the external circumstances, noticing the sounds, the sensations of the world just outside of you. And then gradually start zooming in on your inner world. As you do this, allow your breath to be uncontrolled, easy, soft. Invite effortlessness into your system, body, mind, and heart. Scan your body from top to bottom, treating each exhale as your opportunity to trust the support of the ground just a little bit more, to allow yourself to lean into the support. Choose your primary anchor for this practice. It can be your breath or any sensation in your body that is easy for you to come back to every time that you notice that you're not here, that your mind has been wandering. And now take a few moments to reflect on an insensitivity that you have suffered at some point in your life. Maybe you remember something hurtful you experienced in your childhood, or later in life in friendship or romantic relationship. Breathe easily, slowly, and see if you can let the person who carried this insensitivity drop away. And instead of thinking of them, what they have done wrong, focus on the very nature of the hurt itself. It might have been a turning away, a rejection, an indifference, a harsh criticism, a rush of anger. Whatever it is, connect with the essence of your hurt. Without any judgment, without being harsh on yourself. Now recall the last time you carried a semblance of this same insensitivity towards someone else in your life. And as you do this, try to recall what exactly led you to do this. No judgment of yourself or others, just connecting with the direct experience. Felt sensations. Notice your breath. Allow it to be uncontrolled and easy. And with each exhale, let all semblances of this insensitivity go. Don't push anything away. Simply allow the space in which this insensitivity can be dissolved. Start offering a gentle message of forgiveness to yourself and all involved. Maybe it's just one word, forgiven, forgiven. Or to the extent that I'm able right now, I let go of the hurt that I've been feeling, and I forgive all involved, myself included. To the extent that I'm able right now, I let go of the hurt that I've been feeling, and forgive all involved, myself included. As we've been doing for the past few days, if you feel that forgiveness is not possible in this moment, again, don't judge yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself. It's okay. Trust the process. Plant the seed of forgiveness by setting an intention. It is my intention to forgive all involved, myself included, when I'm ready. It is my intention to forgive all involved, myself included, when I'm ready. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice how you hurt people around you in the same exact way you were hurt at some point in your life. Without judgment, without harshly judging yourself, see if you can simply come to terms with this phenomenon of projection, transference, and to the extent that you are able, forgive yourself and everybody else who is involved in this pattern. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.